Get strong.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Very, very good. How are you doing this morning, this afternoon, this evening, this very night? I'm about to eat my Sunday dinner. Can you see that? It's brown stew, chicken, and rice and peas. Some of you would say rice and bean, but here in the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica, we see rice and peas. How are you doing? You know, I attended church today, and indeed the service was so anointed. The preachers, the singing, everything was so anointing. I really enjoyed myself. Indeed, I was blessed. And this food is a blessing. I'm so grateful. It tastes scrumptious. It tastes scrumptious. The rice and peas is very flavorful. I can taste the coconut milk combined with the other special ingredients that we have added to this meal. I join you in Jamaica. A mixture of carrot, shredded carrot and cabbage, and it's drizzled with, our special secret dressing, and it's, trust me, it's quote unquote heaven in my mouth. I'm enjoying it. I'm about to taste piece of the chicken. 11 out of 10, and I wouldn't say I'm actually blowing our trumpets. I wasn't the one who prepared this meal. It was my partner, and she did a fabulous job. This is good. But good. I don't know if I am the only one who noticed this. You realize that the time is flying. Literally, if you want to actually put it that way, flying. Tomorrow is the 22nd of January. And it was just the other day January starting. So, time is really flying. And I promised myself that, I'm not going to waste any time, It must not be wasted. Cheese. Brown stew chicken. This is very good. A little of the salad. Some of the rice. And this is good. Yeah, as I was saying, time must not be wasted, because apparently time is flying, and any amount of time that you wasted will not return. Nobody can actually make up for that time that is wasted, so I'm not going to waste any time, you know. I'm going to take things one day at a time, but I'm not going to waste not even a minute out of the 24 hours that I am blessed with. Tomorrow is the 22nd. Try that the month is almost finished. See it there? Horse meat is so delicious. It's moist, it's flavorful, it's succulent. It is just 12 years gone kind of meal, you know. This is the kind of meal we enjoy in this house. So, may I ask, any specific plans for this week? You can actually type that in the comment section. I have quite a few plans that I will accomplish this week. I have some business to deal with, and I'm going to actually work on that this week. You don't have to be specific about your plans. You know, you can jot it down if you have plans, you know, you put one. If you don't have any plan, you can put two. But I'm enjoying this meal. I'm going to try the Thai. Look at this. Succulent, juicy, flavorful. This is good. Before I go do that, I implore you to go and check out our website, gecarib.com, gecarib.com. We have a wide array of natural skincare products that is for all skin types. Please take 1 minute or even 2 minutes and browse through our website. As usual, thanks for watching. Like, share, and of course subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and have a wonderful and productive week. Bye bye.